Well, it's been a little over a month since I started up my car, and I think it's about due. Let's just get the covers off. Now, this hasn't run in about a month. We'll just take the cover off here. And get the hood open. See, I pulled a little trick, and that was to disconnect the battery last time I started it up. And maybe, just maybe, that will make the difference. Okay, see, there's the battery disconnected. Let's see if we get a little spark here. Ah, see, there's a little spark. So there is a drain. There is a drain, but it's connected up now. This baby should start right up. Should start right up since we had the battery disconnected for a month. Okay. The alarm is making... theft alarm. Somebody wants to steal my car. Okay. Yeah. I wonder if starting it will make a difference. Oh shit. It fired right up, but the theft alarm thing. Yeah. Hold on. Let me fix that. Oh. Okay. That theft alarm thing goes on every time you turn the connect up the battery. There we are. Nice and happy again. It's running. The oil pressure is coming up. Cold is the temperature. Fuel gauge is almost empty. We got lots of juice in the battery. Too bad there's no tachometer on this thing so we can see how fast it's turning. Oh yeah, it's alive. It's alive and happy again. So, leaving the battery disconnected for a month makes a difference. See? So there you have it. If you're going to store your car, if you're going to park it for a while, just disconnect the battery and it'll start up right away. I think it's starting to rain, so I'm going to go inside now. Lock you up. There's your important part right there. Just disconnect this baby right there. Okay, now the battery won't drain. I think it's that burglar alarm that's in there that tends to drain it. Okay.
Feckwick. 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 Feckwick.